Hello student, myself Anupriya Singh Suman, Assistant Professor in CSE SIRT Bhopal. We are discuss about introduction of JavaScript. So outcome is that JavaScript, what is JavaScript? Client-side scripting with JavaScript. JavaScript can change HTML contents, explain, then examples. JavaScript can change HTML style CSS and examples. JavaScript can hide HTML elements. So, JavaScript is a programming language commonly used in web development, and it was originally developed by Netscape as means of add dynamic and interactive elements to website. And also JavaScript can use for client side development as well as server side developments. And JavaScript contains standard library of Java, that is a like arrays, data, math and core set of languages. It is lightweight programming language. Then scripting language, it reacts of events like load page and on clicks. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language. So scripting language is a lightweight programming language, and also a JavaScript consists of line of execution computer code. Then JavaScript is usually embedded directly into the HTML pages. Then also JavaScript was designing to add it interactive to HTML pages, and also JavaScript is free. Everyone can use JavaScript without license. Simple is that client-side scripting language with JavaScript, and also JavaScript can change HTML contents. So JavaScript side scripting with JavaScript is that JavaScript is about programming the behavior of browser, is that called client-side scripting or browser scripting. Server-side scripting is about programming behavior of the server. And also JavaScript can change HTML content, is that one of many JavaScript methods like get element by ID, is that example is that find an HTML element with ID demo and change the element contents in an HTML to JavaScript. Is that JavaScript can change HTML content. One of many JavaScript HTML methods is get element by ID. So example is that HTML body, h2 is a heading, what JavaScript do. Then PID is equal to demo, JavaScript can change HTML content. P is a paragraph, button type is equal to button, on click coding is that document.get element by ID, is that button type. So button type is on click, yeah, otherwise is that click me, then body close, then HTML close. Output is that. So this is another output was on click, yeah, otherwise click me. JavaScript can change HTML CSS style, is that change the HTML, and other word is that change the style of HTML element is variant of changing an HTML attribute. So example is that we start HTML, we start body, then also h2 is a heading, then we describe the JavaScript can change its style of HTML element is a paragraph. Then button type coding is that document.get element by ID is that demo. Style dot front size is font size is that 35 pixels. Click me, then body, then HTML. Then output is that. Another on click, yeah, otherwise click me, output is that. JavaScript can hide HTML element. Hiding HTML element can be done by changing the display style. Its example is that we start HTML body section, h2 is a heading, paragraph demo, JavaScript hide HTML elements. Button type coding is that click me, then body close, then HTML close. Output is that what can be Java do? Then we click the click me, then another output is that what can JavaScript do? JavaScript can show HTML elements. Show hidden HTML element also be done by changing the display style. Is that a very big question mark? Example is that HTML body section, H2 is a paragraph, P is a paragraph, H2 is the heading, sorry, P is a paragraph, then another paragraph. We create a button coding is that play Google, then we add a simple image ID is my image, source is yes stop image .gif, width size is 400 pixels, then button coding is stop Google, then body section close and HTML close. That is a one output. Then we can get the play Google, this image is movable, and also we can stop the image with stop button. Thank you.